Good morning, people of the great southern Cameroons. I salute una all, our children at home and abroad. I bring una liberation greetings. My name na Capo Daniel, the chairman of the People's Right Advocacy Platform, PRAP. Today we'll get a very special edition when I for present for una the court case for Ayaba Cho Lucas. The document they would obtain them from the court of Norway as an application for the now their advantage for get a association where it be legal, where it be registered somewhere, will send an application for the demanding as an organization where it represent public interest and where it engage in public debate for get the full file for the case for Ayaba Cho. Then I send them for we, and today I want to present that case for now. This one will be very important because Ayaba Cho it can play a very crucial and cardinal role for this our liberation struggle, whether you like it or not. And the case it get direct implication, maybe the biggest implication way it get for our case. Now say if convicted, it will get ramification. It means say our case, our struggle, it can be linked officially with acts against humanity. It will get bearings as European Union, the United States, many countries then get protocol and where they observe them when any struggle is linked with some crimes like this. That struggle, if it be tagged or be put officially as a terrorism group or something will be linked with crimes against humanity. So these are very serious ramifications, and I think we'll need to pay attention to. And also, Ayaba Cho personally for me na a personal issue. Why? Because number one, Lucas also in particular and some member them for their age of C, they go out there for life for our public, say I do work with La Republic, say Cameroon don't bribe me simply because I resigned for their group. And they be know the difference will get them, will be debate the difference will get them. But when you go out, you go talk say person they work with La Republic, you basically talk say me then kill that person, me they attack that person, the family and their property and many other things them. That one na even small. The most important thing for me for this case na the tanu quarter head for Musang, where we be na my head for my security where I be bringing for inside egg of sea. Na that way either help with so many ways. Travel go meet up Efang, travel go for Oko, travel go for Southwest, enter for governor office for spy for we, go for meeting the Atanganji Port for spy for we. She don't for palace them talk on our behalf. Then can assassinate that pa because of Ayaba Cho. He give order. Why? For simple reason. That pa take picture for Rambo when he be die. He send her for me a publisher. Now all that way then talk me then go kill that pa. They can keep her in front of him mommy, if in front of a woman for a compound for Bamenda Day. The thing the way that pa be done do one for we. No be power way they be supposed to kill you for that way. Number two, Captain Small Pikin. General for ADF way Ayaba Cho no say he go deal with me, he go come with force them, then they for dark forces them. Then talk then kill you. Several other people they don't kill you. The one the way na general one, and the talk one the way be personal to me. So this case it be very important. Whether you like it or not, you cannot go against somebody try to kill that person and then you think that you will walk away free. No. Our people should know Ayaba Cho always says there will be no reconciliation commission in Ambazonia. There will be punishment for those who commit war crimes. Those who commit crimes against our people, like the public execution in Gozang, shall face consequences. And our soldiers should know, say, in every war, even 20 years after war is finished, every single person where they don't kill them, their family member, they go come up, can ask them how it happened. They go be accountable. Any person where you rape them because you carry gun today, no fee say you go free. This case for Ayaba Cho na a standard bearer for all Ambazonia them for no say there could be consequences them. Some people they ask and say, what about Sako? What about Chris Anouwe? They don't order the killing of people them, even for chiefs. Well, that one, their justice it will come eventually. The sense way Chris Ano, Sako, Eric Tato they be use them, na say they no be implicate themselves. But Ayaba Cho, the crime the way committed, he says take responsibility for social media. His spokesperson Lucas Asu take responsibility, and the soldier themselves then give you responsibility. After all, those soldiers they require is na pa Ayaba na their pa. So, ladies and gentlemen, I go give some clarity for our people the way they for ground zero. They ask and say why they put Ayaba Cho for prison. Maybe na political thing, na politics. I go clarify that one. Me then also understand. The reason why they arrest Ayaba Cho, na one reason. No be just say he commit war crimes, or he order me then commit war crimes, or a organization order me then commit war crimes. Now because a reputable international organization, Human Rights Watch, specifically, them partner with Amnesty International, will be internationally reputable, and some local NGO them, then demand, they make a formal request, say me no way government he arrest Ayaba Cho because of the people the way they kill him for Gozang. That two people them na the final straw that way he make them open that case. Yes, they be done also make an appeal, general appeal for European Union when they be keep people them for Chair Street, but it no be get steam because this one the people them for Human Rights Watch and travel go right for Norway. And when this thing they really happen, I be inform Ayaba Cho indirectly because me and you know be the talk. I talk for Abu Free, where he did for that group and many other people them. Ayamba, General Efang, I still get all those conversations them. Why I be no? Because over the years we don't develop good relationship with Human Rights Watch them because they contact we when things that happen, we collaborate. They don't always see me like a responsible person where they always be interested for human rights. So I don't develop even personal friendship with some of them. I be bit tip off when the case they go on, and I so would get this information just for pass and for una make una know. So this is very important for our people and forget the details for this court case as it happened. In getting this court case, first thing that say, what happened for all this while over 4 months will nobody be able to forget, specific document for court. We don't get tips for people the way they be credible for tell you way to go on, but forget the court document themselves, it will be very difficult. Number one thing that say, Ayaba Cho Lucas in name where they use them for social media, Cho Lucas Ayaba, no be a real name where they for a ID card, a passport, and a birth certificate. So all the requests will be make them, be if we go through until we can discover them through communication with people the way they be involved with the case for the side for the human right groups them, then tip me off, forgive me a real names them as a day for a birth certificate, na way I succeed forget them. Number one thing, there are two indirect discovery them for this case. Number one, the Cameroon government, be very angry say they arrest Ayaba Cho despite the thing where they try to claim credit or for try to show them, let's say the victory for them. One, the first attempt for the killing the way they be key people them, 10 people them for Chair Street for Bamenda. That way they be take some of the weakness and make them go for Yaoundé. People the way them be linked and not go call specific name for the Cameroon government, then chase those people them away from Yaoundé, make them go back for Yaoundé for Bamenda. The Cameroon minister, the way they be supposed to dispose money for the family them, for make it happen, then also deny for give the money, they don't get no interest for arrest Ayaba Cho. The reason why with some of the people that might call and some of the people for the Cameroon government, they no want me then catch Ayaba Cho. Now one, it be important me gonna know. First of all, some of them they don't get power for Cameroon government, they get influence, they get constant budget where they come up for the Cameroon government because the war they go on. They need people then where they be radical like Ayaba Cho make it so that mean the war begin to go on. They want radicalization. They don't promote radicalization. We don't know even conduct titles how they promote radicalization. Even when Cameroon government they make project them, they expose those projects and use them as provocation. Me Ambazonian people them attack those projects them because they need that insecurity for them for remain for power and for stay in position. All we know say Pastor Emawe be been an ADF commander for Tanka. Then he picture them for all Cameroon their military barrack them. But then catch it, take and go to our upstation, release it again without any charges. For sure, now say Cameroon their hand and they for which way they go on. And I also present una evidence for weapon transfer. How a Cameroon military they arrange for send bullet them for ADF them for Bamenda. I don't put that one for social media. So needless for me for over digress for focus on this issue. But I want to tell una say Cameroon government self also they not be very happy say they don't catch Ayaba Cho. Up to now, the Cameroon state, if they be interested, say Ayaba Cho be number wanted person as they be the talk, they for don't ask for request for extradition. No formal request nobody be made for extradition. and we now all know the office where that thing they come up for day. Yes, it come up for Ministry of Justice, but we all know say it come as a recommendation for the minister when I fight the war on behalf of Cameroon, and we now all know his name. Needless for me for begin call names them. But me gonna know say people then give vested interest. Me Ayaba Cho be free with the never Cameroon government their side because some collabo they way, some mafia they way wanna know am, where me and know am. So I go focus for this court case, me go begin the go. But the things about the court case over plenty, I go mention them again. Number one thing where this court case it don't prove am. Now say this man where the court itself say inside lie. All these dogs them for war, people the way they benefit for this war, they then become enriched, become relevant, get direct access for the power structure for Cameroon, for Paul Biya, a palace for they go to make fake report that they make money. Paul Biya then they left them, they do them because he also need them. But these people them, then they like toilet tissue. I shower them where they go use them, they go throw them one day. One day, these people then all them go be arrested. The same like Moja, all of them go be arrested. Them be disposable. Now scammer them where even francophone they know say now which people them where they know if you ever trust them. They use them for the meantime for kill their own people, destroy their own people. They will also throw them under the bus when the right time it will come. We need to over push them because say we the one try for make peace and for start conversation for end this war. So we need for talk even for our enemy them and those who they fight this war, including the dogs of war. All man will need for reach out for all man and for soften the ground so that may the war come to an end for humanitarian grounds and on moral grounds for end the suffering of our own people them. So it be important we're gonna know all these things the way surround this case because it be very crucial. Number two thing will happen, I say wait. This court case for Ayaba Cho, it don't prove one thing. This inside lie, it be put out a document. Saying a document where it want inform the public, Cameroon public, about what it happened for this case for Ayaba Cho. He claimed credit, saying that because of he walk away, they arrest Ayaba Cho. And that document, the way he put up, he actually put out documents them, saying a document for that court case file. But this document, the way I get and we come out for court, it shows that a document them, he fake them. Now, man, he fake document them. If that document them, it don't go right for Cameroon, their presidency, this man go dey inside big problem because I go make sure say the highest level go know who he be. Now scam away than the scam Cameroon government. Of course, we know say Cameroon government then get intelligence and know, but they need these people then for they use them for propaganda also. So they left them, they do things they do them. But 99 days it can pass. So this document where Salai be put he put Ayaba Cho in name de Cho Lucas Ayaba. He even gets stamped in day. So now document way they make doki them for scam Cameroon government and for scam the general public. Because the Ayaba Cho in name way they for the court file, it be different from the one who know them. And the one where the Salai law firm become put them outside send a court document in that way they show the court case for Ayaba Cho. So now a liar, now a scammer. From talking to this court clerk, my phone conversation there with the court clerk, I not go release them because it could be unprofessional. The court clerk tell me say, nobody, no media outlet have made any request to get any document from that court concerning Ayaba Cho case. I mean, nobody. So I am the first person to get this legal document. It means whatever comment anybody that make before about this case, now those comments will come from a press release where the Norwegian Justice Department be put them outside there for their website when the case be go for, when they be arrest Ayaba Cho. Every other thing that just pure speculation. So we don't get now the facts for the case. And the name for Ayaba Cho, that way they be born Ayaba Cho, he name get a spelling error for a birth certificate where they be write them. He get a mistake for spell the name Ayaba, they write na Yaba. Then forget A, then spell na Y-A-B-A-H. So Ayaba Cho in name as a day for a birth certificate na Cho Lucas Yaba. No be Ayaba. But the document where Salai firm put them outside here right now, Cho Lucas Ayaba, we mean a fake document, a document that way he work them out for computer and a document. So that way to that it happen. Number two ramification, I say, we don't always consider Ayaba Cho as a doctor, who person we don't go for school. The only evidence where they say he go for school, there's some picture where he go for UK, he go take him for some university for sure and say he don't graduate for university as a doctor, get a PhD. You look online, you will also see say there is a document online where it shows a thesis for Ayaba Cho for a doctorate degree. It then shows that document they all na fake because in name way they spell am for that document na Ayaba with AYABA as they call am Ayaba. But it normal name for a birth certificate, for a ID card, a passport, no be Ayaba, na Ayaba. So all that document say Ayaba Cho get doctorate degree, do document for court down also prove say na fake document name. So Ayaba Cho no get no doctorate degree as we don't see am for social media. Yes, if you don't go for school. Success in Congo also get all this kind of documents. Success even getting a picture of a warhouse where he shows say he don't graduate for doctorate degree. Get thesis where they even print them out. So this is the truth about Ayaba Cho. He's not a doctor. He doesn't have a PhD on this topic or where he do research there or whatever he talk he no get them. That is just the fact of the matter because the document we don't prove them out. He don't put a fake name for that document and no genuine person no go put that document out without putting a real name on the document. So there are totally 4 files and way I will publish them. The 4 files them. Now the date for court way then present the case for court. The first one for October 22nd. I'll put the document, I will put the translation. The next one for September 25th, where they become for court. I will put the translation, I will put the interpretation, and 19th of November. And then the last one for January 7th, 13, where the court case just passed. They don't put the case, it will come again for the next day for the case. It will be now on the 10th of February. And that date, it will be very consequential for the case because it could be now almost, it can make 4 months. So for this document, we want to see now the court document, that way they submit them for court, where the judge is submitted for court clerk on the 22nd of October 2024 when they be bring Ayaba Cho for court case. I will read the translation for the court case, the document we're gonna hear. So the document as they don't translate them for me, I don't also engage with a lawyer where they for Norway, me then help we forgive we interpretation and forgive us better understanding for the legal practice them for Norway. So every information will they provide them for now, it can be well researched before they present them for the general public. So I will read the translation for the court document where it did for this post when I do one way be dated 22nd of October 2024. The court document, I read it, court document ruling. Now the first word I they write them, date October 22nd, 2024. Concerning the case, the right number of the case is 24/1635050 Now the number that for the court case. The judge in name for the court case, na Olaf von England. Deputy and with general authority, so na big judge. The defendant in name na Cho Lucas Yaba, born on August 11, 1972. The next way they write on the document na matter related. The related to the court case that day being about request for extension of pre-trial detention. That means that the prosecutor come for court for comply with the law for constitution for Norway where it talks say if you lock person after 24 days, you need for after one month, you need to come for court for can extend them for get a judge for explain for the judge why you explain them. So nothing that will happen. Now prosecutor bring them for court. The next part where they write them for them now the ruling. The ruling talks say wait, now means a decision where the judge should take them. It says Cho Lucas Ayaba will remain in custody until further notice from the prosecution or the court, but not beyond November 19, 2024. Now the normal procedure that they must give 1 month again. The judge, they must come again for court if they need for keeping more than that day. The next way the right and then he is subject to mail and visitation restriction during the entire detention period. Let me say Ayaba Cho, if you receive visitor them, if you send mail, that means say Ayaba Cho be incommunicado. So the information will be telling us say a woman, nobody see, no man nobody see Ayaba Cho, no man nobody hear from Ayaba Cho since then catchy na the court document that way they confirm the order where the prosecutor it be person, since they catch you, since they bring this ruling, since they make this case, why? The reason why they get them na say Ayaba Cho they try for fight physically, he deny say no go for court, he try for take hunger strike because they deny me no make telephone, me no contact your woman, because na European citizen if he say go get all this right them, but the crime way they don't charge you with them, na a groundbreaking international crime, na crime, war crime against humanity, so na a very big crime, and he required those restrictions them because of a behavior and a group and the ongoing investigation where he get them. So even if he did deny me, they not take it for court, the court case they still go on without any break. So when he group they come out, they talk say he use this court case now for fight for Amazonia or na lie. Ayaba Cho like a coward, he there for prison, he fight physically, he don't go on hunger strike, he don't stop the hunger strike from where to here. Now don't tip when you he try for use hunger strike, he make then talk say they will force feed he stop him, he don't begin the chop now. So he there for prison, he never talk for no man never hear for he, no man never see, he never send letter, he no fi send letter, he no fi receive letter, he no fi make phone call, he no fi receive phone call. The next thing I say, he has the right to appeal to the Court of Appeal within 2 weeks of receiving the ruling. The appeal must be submitted to the district court and signed by either Ayaba or his defense attorney. Upon request, the police and prosecution or prison authority must forward the appeal to the court without delay. So that decision it will be subjected to appeal. Ayaba Cho for fee appeal that court decision, but within 2 weeks it no be fee appeal am. Reason for be say he no be get money for pay lawyer, made the lawyer appeal am, but we don't say now one the same lawyer than the representative after the first one we been a court appointed one he did it. We mean say either na still court appointed lawyer than they take the case or they don't pay money for the court for the lawyer, but it be almost impossible because normally any lawyer it go make appeal. So Ayaba Cho probably no pay any lawyer. Now just court appointed lawyer is the representative based on the information we were person way for no way in a lawyer we help with for understand the legal proceeding. He explain them. It talks because any man will get lawyer go normally appeal for me then release it on bail, but Ayaba Cho then we make any appeal for the 4th time we didn't count them for court. Ayaba Cho personally feel write an appeal later from court also even without a lawyer, but he no do am. Reason also for be say say the case be strong against he, the evidence where they don't submit them for court it be strong against he. Now why that way you never make the appeal? Those are just reasons where the lawyer give for we as we talk for you why they never make appeal during this particular after the particular court date, even though the judge be talks to them for appeal within 2 weeks. So the note where the lawyer also give for we for talk I go read and the way we did. It talks a pre-detention extension. The court granted prosecution's request to extend Ayaba detention, meaning there is sufficient legal basis to hold him in custody. This is usually based on concerns such as he may run away, evidence may be tampered, he may tamper evidence, and also they are worried about their public safety. That's why they have to keep him like this. The mail and visit restriction that have been put on Ayaba Cho suggests that the authority consider communication as a risk or possible indication about interference with the ongoing investigation with other people who might also still be under investigation. Regarding his absence from court, indications from our contacts shows that he has fight physically from prison and attempts to use hunger strike to get visit from his wife. That is why he refused to come to the court so that the judge might consider his situation in prison. But we know that that is not a valid legal argument in this type of case. So appeal. He had 2 weeks to appeal. He did not appeal, which means that he did not have a personal funded lawyer, or he also is not capable of appealing, or probably the evidence that was submitted or the case is too strong that he knows that appeal will just be a waste of his money or waste of his time. Concerning the legal implication of this case, our legal advisor in Norway, writes, the legal and political implication of the ruling solidifies Norway government's stance on the detention of Ayaba Cho, that he is involved in criminal activities that are linked to the separatist movement in Cameroon. This case might set a precedent on handling similar cases and other individuals who are accused of crimes abroad. The Norway judicial system is very sensitive if anybody is arrested for political reasons that may trigger or weaken any political movement. So the judge were very careful to allow such detention to stand. If it has been allowed to stand in the case of Ayaba Cho, it means that the evidence are really strong against him. Please note that this comment are personal comment from a lawyer in Norway. Norway is forbidden for engaging in political persecution. So this must have also been vetted by the judge when he issued the arrest warrant to Cho Ayaba. So those things have been eliminated in case somebody was thinking it was politically motivated. In Norway, that will not happen. And Ayaba Cho have a German passport. So because of lack of time, I will just make a second part where I will put all the three other documents, and I will be very, very brief, especially as February the 10th is the next day that the prosecutor have to come back to court to justify continue extension of his detention in this condition. So we will bring it to you in our next episode of our podcast. Stay tuned, stay blessed wherever you are. And for those who have particularly advised Ayaba Cho and he refused, na monkey as they talk arata die na mop. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. This is Capo Daniel looking out for you.